If you are looking for a quiet, peaceful escape from city lights, look no further. This modern, fully furnished, self-contained cabin has it all. Situated atop the hills overlooking Doubtless Bay and just 1 kilometre from the Hihi sandy beach and boat ramp, this open-plan cabin with queen bedroom, lounge and kitchen has a laundry area and separate bathroom. Linens, bedding and kitchen supplies make this an ideal getaway in the winterless far north. There is a barbecue, fishing gear and plenty of boat and vehicle parking on site. Meandering paths lead through the 10 acres of private bush with stunning views across the harbour and beyond, with a private road leading to the rocky beach below, a wonderful fishing and swimming spot for those hot summer days. The owner lives on the property, but your privacy is totally respected. The cabin at Hihi in the winterless far north, just 10 minutes to shops and restaurants in the historic village of Mangonui in the beautiful Doubtless Bay. Make your booking now on Airbnb.